Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous looking Spanish dessert, Tres Leches Cake. Tres Leches in Spanish means 3 milks, as this yummy cake is made with 3 kinds of milk. And I'm not stopping there. I'm also going to show you how to make an Indian version of this classic dessert, the Malai cake. Yes, 2 desserts from one batter. Both are so soft, juicy and yummy that I bet you can't stop after eating just one piece. So let's get baking then. First, let's make the batter for the cake. Start with the dry ingredients. To the flour, add the salt and baking powder. Whisk them together until well combined. Now for the wet ingredients, I have separated the egg yolks from the whites. For now, put the egg whites aside and let's work with the yolks. Add quarter amount of the sugar to the egg yolks and whisk until all the sugar has dissolved and the yolks are a little lighter in color. To this, add the vanilla essence and milk and mix until well combined. Now add the dry ingredients little by little, stirring each time until it is nicely mixed and there are no lumps. Set this aside and pick up the egg whites. With a blender on medium speed, beat the egg whites until foamy. Now add the sugar in 2 or 3 batches, beating each time until the sugar is very well dissolved. After beating the egg whites for about 5 minutes, we have nice soft peaks. This is when it's done. Now, without deflating the air bubbles in the egg white mixture, slowly add it little by little into the batter we prepared earlier. Mix it gently using cut and fold method until we get a smooth uniform batter. Our cake batter is ready. As I said, I am making 2 cakes with one batter. So I am going to divide this batter into 2 cake tins, each around 3.5 to 4 inches. Line the bottom of the tins with parchment paper and pour the batter into them until 2/3 or 3/4 full. These are ready for the oven. Bake them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. The cakes are baked and are out of the oven. They will sink a bit and that's okay. They are done when a skewer inserted into the cake comes out clean. A few crumbs attached to the skewer are fine. So the cakes are done. Now let's make the milk sauce. The original recipe calls for evaporated milk, but it's not easily available here, so I'm using milk powder as the substitute. Add the milk powder to a bowl and add the warm water to it and mix until the powder is dissolved. To this, add the whole milk and condensed milk and mix well until well combined. That's it. The sauce is done for the Tres Leches cake, but for the Indian version we'll do a bit more modification. So divide the sauce into two. Take the half reserved for the Indian version in a saucepan and cook it on a medium flame. Add the cardamom powder and saffron strands. Let the mixture come to a boil. Now simmer it for 1 or 2 minutes more and switch off the flame. You don't have to cook this for long as the addition of condensed milk and milk powder has already made it thick. Our malai is ready. Now let's assemble the cakes. Poke holes in the cake with a skewer as shown. This is for the cake to absorb the liquid well. Now pour the liquid reserved for the Tres Leches cake and reserve little for serving. Similarly, poke holes in the other cake and pour the Indian style malai over it. The cakes to absorb the liquid, let them sit for an hour. Meanwhile, let's get the topping ready. I am using whipping powder. You can use whipping cream as well. Add the sugar as per your taste and whip it up until stiff peaks. The last bit, frost the Tres Leches cake with the whipped cream and decorate with grated chocolate. For the malai cake, decorate with some chopped almonds and pistachios. They look impressive, don't they? And now it's time to indulge. These are so soft, juicy and yummy. I insist you do give it a try. Let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications of new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.